Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Now I am going to discuss a topic circle, okay, for 6th standard. Listen children, see things around us made up of shapes. See, in that shape I am going to discuss the circle. What are the things around us which is in a circle shape? Can you give some example for that? What are that? Bangle. Yes, a bangle is a good example for a circle. Next, have you seen the wheel? Your cycle wheel or car, a bicycle. Did you see that wheels? It is also a circle. Okay. And what are the things? What are the things which is in circle? Give me more example regarding this. Yes. Bangle is wheels. Next, what is it? Yeah, tell me children. Yes, we are having more things. See, your water bottle cap, no? Yes, very good, water bottle cap. It is also a good example for the circle. Okay, and chapati, most of the chapatis are in which shape? It is circle. Yes, correct. Chapati is a good example for a circle. And I want still more examples. Yes, tell me, what is it? Yes, pizza. Pizza is also a good example for a circle. Very good children. So these are the examples for circle. That in that circle, parts of a circle we are going to discuss. Got it children? Listen. Yes, a circle is a closed figure. See, actually we are having a open figure and a closed figure shapes are there. Here circle is my closed figure. Is it clear? By a set of points that are at an equal distance. See, this is your O, center of the circle. Okay, when you draw a compass, so a compass is a geometrical thing which is for you to draw the circle. Geometrical instrument which is used to draw a circle. Can you clear this children? When you draw the circle in a paper, you can get a hole. With a compass, when you draw a circle, you can get a hole in that paper. That hole is nothing but a center of a circle. Can you clear this? From the center of the circle to, if I touch the boundary of the circle, see what it is, the circle is a boundary. Can I measure this? If it is a rectangle square, means a line segment is there, with the help of the ruler, I can measure that line segment. Can I measure this circle? Is it possible to measure the circle? Yes, it is possible to measure the circle also. With the boundary, I can, for example, I can take the thread. Okay, what I can take? A thread, and I am keeping this is the starting point, and hold that the circle I have fixed the thread, and then I can measure that. After starting that, I will end with that, and if I measure the line segment, that is the measurement of a circle. Can you understand this? Because it is not a line segment. How can I measure? If you ask the question like that, means with the help of the thread, I can start the point here and keep on the thread to the boundary of the circle. At end point, I can measure the circle. Can you clear? Next, see, from O to the boundary, if suppose O, this is O, and if I touch center, that is O means what here? Center. From O to boundary of the circle, if I touch, I can set it is to be the radius. Okay, if I talk about one line segment from O to the boundary of the circle, means it is a radius. If suppose I am talking about more radius, then it is said to be radii. The plural form of radius is what? Radii. Got it children? So the fixed distance from the center is called the radius. See, from here to here also it is what? Radius. Here to here radius. So you can get more number of radii like this. Okay? Can you clear this? And listen, a line segment that passes through the center of a circle and whose end points on a circle. Okay, we have read about the center. Now we are going to read about the diameter. What does mean by diameter? Listen. See, a line segment passes through the center. See, this is a line segment and this is my O. This is my O. This is the center of my circle, and a line segment passes through the center of the O means it is said to be a diameter. Okay. See, from center to the boundary of the circle means it is a radius, but a starting point is also, for example, I marked this to be what? A and B. My starting point is also on the boundary of the circle, as well my end point is also in the boundary of a circle. Okay, then it is a, and joining by the line segment, it is a diameter. Suppose here OB is a radius. Got it? And AB is a diameter. Diameter. Okay? Listen. See, I can say OB is a radius. As well, OA is also a radius. Can I say AB is equal to twice the radius? Is it? Can I say this like this? OB is a radius. OB is a radius. As well, OA is also a radius. So when I am talking about AB, two radius R plus R, which is what? 2R. Which means a diameter is equal to twice the radius. Can you clear this, children? A diameter is equal to what? Twice the radius. Got it? So, listen. And I can say diameter is a chord. Even though a chord is also starting point is on the boundary of a circle, as well as the end point is also the boundary of a circle, which is joining through the line segment. So it means a chord. Okay. So a diameter is also a chord, but longest diameter is your chord. Longest diameter longest chord is a diameter. Okay. See, listen. Every diameter is a chord, but every chord is not a diameter. I will explain you that. Listen, interior and exterior of a circle. Suppose it is a circle. See, these parts are your inside the circle, and suppose if I mark here, for example, a P, Q, R, S, T. Okay, here I am marking a O, W, R, S. So, my interior of a circle is S, O or W, because it is inside the circle, so it is the interior, and P, Q or S are the outer. Okay, so it is the exterior of a circle. Got it, children? Next, chord. I said no, diameter. Okay, every diameter is a chord, but every chord is not a diameter. Listen, a circle. Suppose if I drawing the line segment like this and I mark it to be what? AB. See, this is a chord. For the diameter also, my starting point is there in my boundary of the circle as well as end in the boundary of the circle. Only the thing, the diameter passes through the center of the circle, but here it is passing through the center of the circle? No. How, when I can passing through the center of the circle? Suppose if it is O means, so listen. See, this is my O, okay, this is my O means this is said to be a diameter. Okay, and this one is what? Chord. So, like this also a diameter. I can say CD also diameter. As well, if I draw like this means it is also a diameter, AD. AD or I can set it to be E. Okay. AE is also a diameter because it passing through where? Center of the circle. So, it is a diameter. So, for that only I said every diameter is a chord, but every chord is not a diameter because diameter only passes through the center of the circle. Got it? Next, chord is a line segment that joins any 2 points on a circle. Okay. Next, I am going to discuss the circumference of the circle. So, the length of the boundary of the circle is said to be a circumference of the circle. For example, listen. See, listen. This is your boundary of the circle. This is your, what is mean by the boundary of the circle? So, when the circle fully, this is your boundary of the circle. The length of the boundary of a circle is what? Circumference, and name for this is what? Circumference. Is it clear, children? Shall I move on to the next one, ma? Listen. Concentric circle. What is mean by concentric circle? If two or more circle that have the same center. See, when I am taking the first circle, this is my center, and when I am taking the second circle, this is my center. See, listen, from this to this. Okay, for all the things, what is mean by this is your O, for example, A, B, C, and this is my first circle, second one, third one and fourth one. See, for the first circle, the center is what? This, I will change the pen color and I will explain you. Listen, this is your O. Okay, this is your O. So, two or more circle which is having the same center, then it is said to be the concentric circle. Then it is said to be what? Concentric circle. Okay. Arc. What is the arc of a circle? An arc is formed by the set of 2 points on the boundary of the circle. You can choose any 2 points between any 2 points on the circle. See, listen, this is the arc. You can choose from here to here also. Okay. A set of points between any 2 points on the circle is said to be a arc. Okay, children, shall I move on to the next one? Listen, segment. See, suppose if I going to cut a piece of cake means how a whole cake is given to me and I am going to cut the piece. I have to take a piece in that means how can I cut the cake? Is I cut like this? No, it is wrongly I have cut. See, listen. For example, if a cake is there means cake or pizza, whatever it may be. If it is a cake like this means I can cut like this only. I have cut this and I have each piece I want means I can cut like this, but it is a wrongly cut cake. It is a segment. If I cut the cake into wrongly means then it is a segment of a circle. The segment also two point which is on a circle. For example, chord. 2 points on a circle means what? It is a chord. The region of a circle bounded by an arc and the chord joining it's the end point. Wrongly if I cut means it is a segment. If correctly I cut that cake means it is a sector. Okay. Wrongly if I cut the cake means it is a segment. If I cut the cake into correctly means then it is a sector. And see this part. Listen. See a region which is covered, which is what? Smaller area. This one is a region which is covered a larger area. If it is covered the smaller area means it is a minor segment. Got it? Minor segment. Larger area means major segment. Can you clear this, children? Now, sector of a circle. This I have cut the cake into correctly. For example, OAB means this OAB is a what part? Minor part, smaller area. So, minor sector. And see, this part is your major. So, then it is a major area. Can you clear this, children? Minor and major. It is covered by the area we are calculating. Okay. Next, semicircle. A diameter divides a circle into what? Semicircle. Suppose if this is my center O, okay, this is my center O and this is a diameter. See, this part is nothing but semicircle. Okay, semicircle. A diameter divides the circle into two equal parts. Each part is nothing but semicircle. Is it clear? Even though I can divide like this also. Okay, one second. Yeah, I can divide like this. See? Even though I can divide like this also. Then this part is a semicircle. This is a semicircle. Okay. So, in a circle I can get two semicircle. A diameter divides a circle into two semicircle, whether it might be a slanting or in the sleeping. Can you clear this, children? See, these are the parts of our circles. Any doubt regarding this, children? Thank you. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will get the latest updates. Thank you.